Hi there, it's Ginger Bratzel from gingerbratzel.com and New Patient Attraction Automation, and I want to talk to you about communicating with your list. This is like the #1 sin of businesses, not just dental practices, all businesses, is taking your practice, your patients, your clients, your customers for granted and not communicating with them on a regular basis. I worked with a dental consultant one time, helped them with their marketing, and the only time he sent something to them was when he was selling something, and they had no goodwill. If you want people to come and attract to you, you have to give more value to them at first. You have to recognize them. You have to appreciate them. You have to cherish them. And we talked about patient appreciation events. We have talked about all the things you can do to celebrate patients. But you know, communicating with them is one of the easiest way. You need to be sending out a newsletter at least once a month. You know, people say, well, that's too hard. That's too, I can't do that. That's you know, it takes me a year to get a newsletter out. Once a year is not enough. You know, once a quarter is not enough. I'd like you to be communicating with them in print at least once a month, a minimum. You know, the thing they should get from you is not a bill. That's not the only way they should be getting information from you. It's giving them value, giving them opportunities, giving them offers, giving them information, giving them that connection that they need with you. So any business needs to be communicating with their list. If you want to grow your practice, you need to have that investment. It takes lots of positive interactions with people before they make major purchases. A Mercedes study many years ago said it took 6 positive interactions. Now that study's been updated, it's anywhere from like 12 and above. So you need to always be giving them good information. You always need to keep them in the front. Newsletters are an opportunity to, again, give them an offer. It's not sell, sell, sell. But what about featuring one of your best patients? Spotlighting the great patients and every issue. So you have 12 great patients or 12 great families that you spotlight through the year. Everyone wants to be recognized. They want to be on that list and what do they need to do. And when you recognize them, if they had a certain procedure, you could tie that to it. So if you did a cosmetic makeover and you're recognizing this great family and what you did for them, that's a testimonial, and then you can tie it to a cosmetic type offer. See how that goes? So always communicate with them. Don't forget about them. That's how you become spam very, very quickly. That's how you become trash very quickly. Once they come in, they should get a thank you note, personally, hopefully from the doctor, saying thank you for coming in, thanks for choosing our practice. What a wonderful experience. And then once they do that, they need to be trained that you're going to be communicating with them on a regular basis. You're not overwhelming them. It's always with love. It's always with caring, because you are a dentist, you are a carer, you are a nurturer, and make sure they have that communication channel open. So when they need, you know, this is where you tell them, we accept referrals. We're always looking for great people like you. This is where that communication comes from. So make sure you cherish them and communicate with your list. That's the #1 thing. Like I said, not just dental practices, all businesses kind of screw up on. So make sure they're in the forefront of your mind and keep them going by communicating love and value and caring with them. Well, would you like to get all the patients you need? Would you like to increase that? Well, I urge you to go over to my website at gingerbratzel.com and get free information over there. If you're ready, if you think you want to talk about working together and see what we can do for your practice, I would love to have that conversation with you. All you simply have to do is email my team at results@gingerbratzel.com, and we can get together and see how we can help you out to get your practice to the next level and continue to cherish your patients, okay? So for now, I wish you nothing but the best in your practice and nothing but prosperity. Bye-bye.